A lot of people ask me if I have a mortgage or a student loan, do I still have to pay zakat? The answer isn't always straightforward, but today I will break it down in a way that's simple, practical, and easy to apply. Assalamu alaikum. I am authersyed and welcome to our channel. I talk about finance, business, and personal growth. So if that's something you are into, consider subscribe. How it works, what you need to know, and how to make sure you're calculating it correct. Number one, do you have to pay zakat if you have a debt? Let's clarify something right away. Having debt doesn't always exempt you from paying zakat. Here how it works. If you have a short-term debt like monthly bills or a small loan due within the next year, you can deduct that amount when calculating zakat. But if you have a long-term debt like a mortgage or a student loan, you only deduct the amount due within the next 12 months, not the full balance. Let me give you a quick example. Suppose you have $20,000 in savings and a mortgage with a $1,500 monthly payment. Over the next 12 months, you owe $18,000. That means you subtract $18,000 from your savings before calculating zakat. Point number second, how do you calculate zakat if you have a mortgage or a student loan? Let's take an example. You have $30,000 in savings, but you owe $10,000 in student loans, of which $3,000 is due this year. Your zakatable wealth is $30,000 minus $3,000 equals $27,000. Now apply 2.5% of zakat on $27,000, which is $675. That's the zakat you need to pay. See how easy that is. You're not deducting the entire loan, just the amount due this year. Can you use zakat to pay someone else's debt? Here is a common question. Can I give my zakat to help pay off someone else's debt? And the answer is yes. Zakat can be given to someone who is genuinely struggling with debt and unable to pay it off. But here is the key. They must qualify as a zakat eligible, meaning they don't have enough wealth to cover basic needs and outstanding debt. If they meet that requirement, you can use your zakat to relieve their financial burden. Here's something surprising. Many people overestimate how much debt they can deduct from their zakat. They think I have a mortgage, so I don't have to pay zakat. But that is not the case. It's about what is due in the next year, not the full balance. Let's summarize the key takeaways so you can apply them right away. Short-term debt, deduct the full amount from your zakat table. Well, long-term debt, only deduct the next 12 months worth of payments, helping others. You can use zakat to pay off someone's debt if they qualify. Always calculate zakat properly. Don't assume debt exempt you entirely. If you are not sure, always double check or speak with a scholar for guidance. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever been confused about zakat on debt? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for content on finance and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.